another video. Today I'm going to be paddling on Loch Lomond on my paddleboard. So this is a freestyle Dagon 10. You can get a Dagon 9, which is what the missus has got. This comes with the foot strap. It also comes with a waist strap as well, which we don't use, but you have got the option of it. Comes with the paddle that you've just seen there. There is another style of Dagon. So there's some jet bikers out there. I'm quite jealous right now. Yeah, there is another style Dagon, Dagon 10, sorry, which is a yellow colour, and it comes with one of these seats that you can attach to it, so you can have a nice chill paddle. Now you're not going to see me standing up on this. I'm not going to lie to you. I'll be real with you. I've tried standing up on this countless times and it does not work at all. I will be going for a swim. I really don't fancy going for a swim today, so we're just going to go for a nice leisurely paddle. Not too sure where. We'll just end up, or we'll just drift, one or the other. But yeah, this is just to showcase the freestyle. Have I been calling it freestyle? It's Freespirit, sorry, Freespirit Dagon 10 paddleboard that you can pick up from Go Outdoors. Can't remember for the life of me what the price is, because we did buy it a while back now. So I'll put the price up at the bottom of the screen now and what they're going for, and then make your mind up if you want to buy one. Obviously there are countless other paddleboard retailers out there and distributors and whatnot. I thought I'd get that in there quick. But yeah, this is the one we've got, and this is the one I'm going to show you. This is a Dagon 10, very sturdy paddleboard. It's got the front straps, so you can put your bags under, dry bags. You can all store that underneath there. It's got like a foam pad built in the middle, obviously for extra grip if you want to stand up or kneel on it or whatever. It has got a front and back clip, so if you want to tow someone along or add something else to the back of your paddleboard when you're paddling along. It's a good bit of kit, to be fair. Nice, but it's a good budget paddleboard. So if you've not got the money to fork out for the more high-end paddleboards, then I'd say if you're just starting out paddleboarding, this could probably well be a good investment for you. There's a beach over there that I'm just trying to get to. I don't know if you can just see it just over there. I've had my eye on it for the last few days that we've been here. It's a bit of a gloomy day. But yeah, that beach, if I can get to it this morning, would be epic. But yeah, we'll see. Panics me because that sounds like rocks, that. There we have it. Buzzing, I've just made that. So while I'm here, the paddle that comes with your board comes in two pieces. There you go. Also with this handle there is an adjustable, so if you unlock it, a bit like a bike lock or saddle, and then just extend. It's got measurements on there, so if you just extend it out to what you need it to. Let me just show you the fin real quick. So it just does come with a single fin. That's the underneath. Nothing too special, to be honest. But yeah, single fin. Like I said, some paddleboards do come with double fins. But yeah, so we're on the island. We're camped over there. So been meaning to get myself over here. Like I said, all holiday, I had my eyes on this beach. I'll just give you a little tour. Obviously this is Loch Lomond. That in the clouds there is Conic Hill. And obviously those of you who have done it will know you walk the West Highland Way down this route. And then in the clouds over there, thank God, because it wasn't yesterday, is Ben Lomond. on that side. It's probably one of the most scenic roads you'll ever drive down on the British Isles, the A82. So yeah, that's a quick brief rundown. Obviously the life jacket, that's a Goal life jacket, and the wetsuit that I've got, they're all bought separately. You can get whatever, like you can get many a life jacket online or Amazon or whatever. Same for wetsuits and stuff. So take your pick really. But yeah, the Freespirit Dagon 10, absolute brilliant budget paddleboard. The Dagon 9, like I said, the missus has got, that you've just seen at the start of the video. That's a little bit shorter than the Dagon 10. Obviously I'm 6'4", so I need the Dagon 10. And then you've got the Dagon 10, the yellow one. That comes with an attachment for the seats and stuff. So if you want a more leisurely paddle around, I'm sitting up on mine at the minute, but my back's starting to kill already. So I could have done with that one, to be honest. But hey ho, you know, you can't win them all. But yeah, as you can see, like I said, there's the inlet there. Always make sure that the inlet is actually popped out like it says there, because when you're pumping it up, if you've left that in and you've pumped it up to 15 psi, as soon as you let go of that, out comes all your air and you've got to start again. And these, they don't pump up quick, to be fair. In the bag, when you buy it, in the bag also comes with a hand pump, which is hard work. I'm not going to lie to you, it is very much hard work. We've bought the electric pump that you can plug into your car. That still takes quite a while, but obviously you haven't got the you're not knackered before you get on the board, thankfully. The only downside to that pump, and I am being very nitpicky here, the only downside to that pump is that it's really noisy. So yeah, be mindful of that. Other than that, like I said, it's a really good budget board. You know, you can pick them up from Go Outdoors. Again, I'll chuck the price in at the bottom now. And if you're just starting out on paddleboarding, I'd strongly recommend this one. Like I have said before as well, there are plenty of other paddleboard retailers out there. They're a little bit more expensive, I suppose you'd say. Proper like snazzy neon fluorescent boards and stuff like that. Slightly thicker than that one as well, as you can see. And you know, there is a level of thickness. You know, when I'm sat on it, I weigh 19.5 stone. It isn't submerged. You know, I'm not paddling a submersible paddleboard, not yet anyway. But the other high-end ones are a little bit thicker than that. So, you know, it's up to you at the end of the day. It's your personal preference. If you've got the money to spend on it, then go for it. But you know, it's up to you, innit? You know, no matter where you go, I don't know if you can see that graffiti or scratched onto that rock over there, Shadbolt 2020, I'm going to say 5. Could be a 3 or could be a 5, one or the other. More there, look. Thompson 24. Oh, there's one there, look, TKJM 1962. Hey ho. But yeah, there you go. Loch Lomond. Beautiful. Hello, mate. So, just paddled from that beach all the way back over to camp. Mr. Ducky's going to be jumping on the paddleboard in a minute. There you have it. Freestyle Freespirit Dagon 10. Brilliant little paddleboard. Let's see if I can get this duck to come over here. Hello. Hiya. I'm gonna stand up now and scare it more than likely. Ooh. Yeah. Genuinely, you can't go wrong with that paddleboard. It is really good for the money you pay for it. It is really good. So yeah, like I keep saying, highly recommend getting one. Nice budget friendly paddleboard from Go Outdoors. Cheers for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.